At your locally owned Florentina's, fresh isn't a buzzword, it's what we do. Chef-created recipes made fresh every day in our kitchen. Classics like chicken parmesan, lasagna, and pasta primavera. Or try Florentina's signature originals like steak Florentina, nachos Italiano, or our brick oven pizza. It's time to go local. Experience different. Try Florentina's Ristorante Italiano in Branson.
Each day, heroes protect, serve, and save us. At Heroes Taste and Taps in Branson, we honor them with classic and elevated new American cuisine. You'll find tastes worth celebrating paired with 24 unique and local brews on tap. Heroes' traditional and trendy plates are crowd pleasers. From our first responders to veterans to our frontline workers, we say thank you. Take a seat, raise a glass, and salute the heroes in your life. An all-American dining experience at Heroes Taste and Taps in Branson.